Good morning, grade 10. Let's go for fourth question from question 5 from problem set 6. So, we are going to prove that right hand side is equal to left hand side or left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now, let us start first of all with LHS. So, what is your left hand side? Equal to sign is over here. This is your LHS, that is your RHS. So, we have cot square theta minus tan square theta. Now before we go, just look first. We have learned one identity. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So what can we write for tan square theta? Tan square theta can be written as sec square theta minus 1. 1 transferred over here. So for tan square theta, I am going to write sec square theta minus 1. This is first. And second identity, we have also learned that 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So what is cot square theta? Cot square theta is cosec square theta, 1 transferred over here, minus 1. So for this cot square theta, I am going to write cosec square theta minus 1. Is this clear? So let us substitute for cot square theta and tan square theta. So for cot square theta, what will I write? Cosec square theta minus 1. This minus sign over here, bracket. For tan square theta, I am going to write sec square theta minus 1. Up till here, is this clear? Only substitution. What is the reason? Reason for it is cot square theta is equal to, I'll write below, I don't have place. Okay, so you have, reason is cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1 and tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Now just open the bracket. What you get? Cosec square theta minus 1 minus into plus is minus sec square theta minus into this minus will be plus 1. Now see, 1 minus 1 is 0. So we are left with cosec square theta minus sec square theta. Isn't that your RHS? So what we got? LHS is equal to RHS, thus proved. Okay, please pause the video and take down each step, or you solve by yourselves watching the video and then check with the video. Let's go for the next problem now. Now look at the fifth question from question 5. Tan raised to 4 theta plus tan square theta. This is your left hand side, LHS. We have to prove that this is equal to sec raised to 4 theta minus sec square theta. So first consider only LHS. In your left hand side, LHS, you have tan raised to 4 theta plus tan square theta. Now from this tan square can be taken out. So you have tan square theta out. Okay. So tan square theta is out. What will remain inside? Here there will be one more tan square theta, because tan square theta into tan square theta will be tan raised to 4 theta. Are you getting this? Plus sign as it is. Tan square theta is already out. So there will be 1 inside. For 1 plus tan square theta, we can write it as sec square theta. So you have tan square theta into, this is what? Sec square theta. What is the reason? Reason is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Alright. Now for this tan square theta, if I shift 1 over there, it will be sec square theta minus 1. We have seen in the earlier example. So for tan square theta, I am writing sec square theta and 1 transferred over here minus 1. This is your tan square theta into sec square theta. Reason is tan square theta is sec square theta minus 1. Now just multiply sec square theta with this bracket. Sec square theta into sec square theta will be sec raised to 4 theta minus sec square theta into 1 is sec square theta. This is your RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS thus proved. Got it? Let's go for the next question. Now look at the next problem. We have question 6. 1 upon 1 minus sine theta plus 1 upon 1 plus sine theta is equal to 2 sec square theta. Now your LHS is this. You have to prove it is equal to RHS. Just cross multiply. 1 plus sine theta into 1 is 1 plus sine theta. Which sign is there? Plus. 1 minus sine theta into 1 is 1 minus sine theta. Bracket 1 minus sine theta into 1 plus sine theta. Okay? Now see, 1 sine theta minus 1 sine theta, this will get cut off and we are left with 1 plus 1, 2, and below a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So it is 1 square minus sine square theta. Reason for this is a, here a minus b is first, so I am writing a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we have written this. Alright, upon 2 upon 1 square is 1 minus sine square theta. But what is 1 minus sine square theta? It is cos square theta. So you have 2 upon cos square theta. How this came? See, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. I want 1 minus sine square theta. So cos square theta will remain as it is. If I shift this over here, it will be 1 minus sine square theta. So 1 minus sine square theta is what? Cos square theta. So reason you can write. Reason over here, because 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cos square theta. Is this done? Now this is simple. This can be written as 2 into 1 upon cos square theta. But what is 1 upon cos square theta? Sec square theta. So it becomes 2 into sec square theta. That is equal to 2 sec square theta. Reason for this is 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. So 1 upon cos square theta will be sec square theta. Is this clear? Okay, very easy, no? So 4th, 5th and 6th problem we have done. Let's go for 7th as well. Now look at this question. Sec raised to 6x minus tan raised to 6x. This I have written as sec square x the whole cube. 3 2s are will be 6. Alright. So you have something cube minus something cube. So it is as good as a cube minus b cube. Your a will be sec square x and your b will be tan square x. Remember this identity, students. You are going to apply this over here. So what is a cube minus b cube? A minus b the whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. Apply this over here, you get which will be equal to, so if I write here sec square x for a the whole cube minus tan square x the whole cube. So this a and this b is equal to, first is a minus b the whole cube. So you have sec square x minus tan square x the whole cube. So this is first bracket plus, I don't have place, I am writing here 3 into, what is a? A is your sec square x, b is tan square x, multiply by again a minus b. So it is sec square x minus tan square x. Up till here is it clear, everybody? But what is sec square x minus? You know, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So if I keep 1 over here and shift tan over there, it will be sec square theta minus tan square theta. Wherever there is subtraction, it will be 1 because sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So what am I going to write? Sec square theta minus tan square theta 1 cube plus 3 into sec square x into tan square x. Here sec square theta minus sec square x minus tan square x, again it will be 1. What is the reason? You write the reason. sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Dot dot dot, you write this reason. I don't have place, so I have written over here. So what do we get? 1 cube is 1 plus 3 sec x tan square x into 1. This is what is your, this is plus not tan. So here there is multiplication sign, you can see over here. Alright, so nothing is there means multiplication is there. So we got LHS is equal to RHS, thus proved. Okay, so please take down all the steps. Thank you.